Alright, today I got something in the mail that no one really seems to talk about, but my buddy suggested I get one, so I'm gonna give it a try. Injen Pedal Pro Black Edition. So what this does, there's the part number. I got this directly from Injen for around 200 bucks. It's pretty steep. But what this does, it gives you 9 modes. All kinds of different modes there, but what it supposedly it does, it gives you faster throttle response. So let's say for instance you're giving it 50%. With this connected, it's giving it like 80-90%. So what it's mimicking is making it feel like your car is faster when it really isn't, because it's putting a great way of saying it is putting your gas pedal with steroids, really, because it's putting your gas pedal on steroids. It's making it like instantaneously. So with our Injens, because it is throttled by cable, it is controlled by wires, not a hard cable like back in the old days. So I do have Honda Flash Pro, which is supposed to help eliminate that, but this is like on steroids. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what comes with it. Alright, so this is everything that it comes with. So this is going to connect directly to your gas pedal underneath your steering column, and this is going to connect right into that. There you have enough extension to run this right into your dash. They provided 3 picked it up and I was peeling it. 3 little strips of 3M tape to go behind this. Looks like there's a little screen protector on there, so we'll wait to remove that. And pretty straightforward. It's all plug and play. This is everything that comes with it. Wish they would have provided me a sticker. But you can't have everything. These are all the instructions, and like I said, there is 9 different modes, or 9 level sport mode. There's drag race, launch control mode, 7 level economy mode, anti-skid mode, anti-theft mode, stock mode, simple plug and play. Yeah. So since it takes about less than 10 minutes to install this, or is this pepper? Yeah, less than 10 minutes. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. These are the instructions of how to activate everything, and there's little dials here, there's modes. So that's pretty much everything that comes with it. Once again, here is the part number. There it is, and we'll see what all the hype is about. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.